Here in Sedona, Arizona, up on Doe Mountain, giving you an amazing outdoor body core workout in the Red Rocks. What can I say? Sedona's like, it's number one for me in my heart. I just love it here. The energy, the vortexes. It's just so earthy and beautiful. I hope you get a chance to come visit here if you haven't already. If not, second best working out with me, right? Wherever you are in the world. So happy to join. It is going to be a great core workout. It is 4 rounds, all right? So I'm going to tell you exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go low plank 30 seconds, high plank 30 seconds, side plank 30, side plank 30, and then we're going to do a crunch squeeze for 30 seconds. 4 rounds of that. So stay with me, it's gonna be good. Changing every 30 seconds. We're gonna get right into it, all right? Here we go. So starting off in that low plank in 3, 2, 1. You know I love the planks. It's like one of those exercises, you know it's good for you, but people just avoid it until someone tells you to do it. So that's what I'm doing. But at least you're gonna do them with me here in Sedona. Come on. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Let's go. Remember, keep the shoulders right above the wrists. Glutes tight. That word, activation. You want to try and activate everything. You know, I don't like to say there is a perfect stance because everyone's flexibility, even mine, is completely different. Everyone has different ailments, so making sure nothing is screaming in pain or hurt when you're doing this. Here we go, side plank. Let's get it. Ooh, man, 4 rounds. What was I thinking? Let's go. 15 seconds. We're getting after it. We are finishing this. But if you need a break, you can always put your foot up like this if you have to. I'm gonna just switch and face my back to you. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Easy transition. You can put your arm up, you can put your leg up, you can touch your toes like a yogi. 15 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right here. Just coming up. We're just crunching and holding. So don't squeeze your neck too hard. Just coming all the way in, squeezing core super tight. Legs together. Just holding. You really got to squeeze as tight as you can on this. Just pinching in, holding tight. Crunch it. This is almost like your shoulder break. And turn it back around. Let's go. Low plank. 30 seconds. Round 2. Yeah, so that crunch squeeze, you really have to flex, activate everything. Almost like you're like holding in your breath and squeezing your stomach super tight, belly button to spine on that one, or you're not gonna feel it and you're gonna be like, what am I doing? I don't feel anything. 3, 2, 1. High plank. Let's go. All day. Wouldn't rather be anywhere else but here in Sedona with you. 15 seconds. Let's go. 10 seconds. Beautiful, beautiful day. 5, 4, 3, 2. Side plank. Let's go. Getting in it. We're going deep. The round robin of plank holds. Woo! 15 seconds. Let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Come on. 20 seconds. Ten seconds, let's go. 4, 2, 1, here we go. We got this crunch holds. Squeezing super tight. Crunch it in. All day, come on. Almost there. Squeeze. 3, 2, 1. Turn it over. Low plank. Round 3. We got 2 more to go. Let's get it. Stay strong. I know it burns. You might not like planks. Not sure. I don't know if I've met anyone that likes planks, but guess what? They work. And they're good. Great for your core, great for the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Let's go. Ooh. Shoulders burning. Let's get it. 20 seconds. 15. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Side plank all day. Let's get it, baby. Come on, 20 seconds. 15 left. You're doing great. I know it's burning. I'm sure your shoulders are burning. Put your foot up. You can put your hand down if you need to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Let's go. Woo! 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. Let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super crunch squeeze right here. Come on. Hold it tight. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Let all the air out. And hold tight. Belly button to spine. Flex those muscles. 10 seconds. Come on. 2, 1. Flip it over. We have our low plank. This is it, guys. This is your last round. Round 4. 20 seconds. Come on. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All day. Come on. Shoulders are burning. That is a fact. 15 seconds. If you need to, you can tap your knees down. Break. Come right back up. 10 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Side plank. Let's go. Come on. Outdoor body. Achieving it. All day. Come on. Remember, hotter it burns, harder it dries. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. All day. Come on. 20 seconds. 15. Stay with me. We're almost there. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. And crunching. Let's go. This is it. Biggest crunch of the day. Stomach tight. Belly button tight. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Pinch. Harder. Breathe out. Super tight. Squeeze. Tight as you can. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Time. Woo! 10 minutes non-stop. Got sweat in my eyes on that one. Amazing work. Outdoor body core workout here in Sedona, Doe Mountain. Amazing, amazing place, experience just for you. Hope you enjoyed it. You can always do that twice. You can make it 8 rounds. That's a challenge. Do it if you can. Remember, we got mobility, we got stretching, outdoor body workouts in iconic, amazing locations just for you. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time for an outdoor body workout. Let's get it.